In today's era, dominated by screens and digital interfaces, the significance of eye health cannot be emphasized enough. Our eyes are not just gateways to the soul, but also our main means of perceiving and engaging with our surroundings. Sadly, factors like extended exposure to screens, environmental pollutants, and unhealthy living habits can adversely affect our vision, leading to a variety of eye conditions. It's here that the potency of the natural world shines. Herbs, celebrated for their medicinal benefits for centuries, hold promise for safeguarding vision and potentially aiding in its restoration. This video delves into the herbs, known for their capabilities to defend and possibly improve eye health. So let's dive in without further delay. Number 1. Bilberry. Bilberry's health-enhancing attributes stem from compounds known as anthocyanins, which give the berry its rich color. These compounds function as potent antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals throughout the body, including those that could harm the eyes. The antioxidant properties of bilberry are vital in preserving the structural integrity of eye tissues and preventing oxidative damage, which is a common factor in age-related eye diseases. Studies indicate that bilberry may aid in enhancing night vision and overall visual sharpness, attributed to its capacity to improve blood circulation to the eye areas. Adequate blood flow is crucial for supplying nutrients and oxygen to the eye's delicate structures. Antioxidants are key in combating free radicals, unstable particles that can inflict cellular damage. The eyes, particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress from continuous light exposure, can significantly gain from bilberry's antioxidant capacity. By eliminating free radicals, bilberry supports the protection of the lens, retina, and other eye components, potentially minimizing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other vision impairments. Vision-related issues are addressed through bilberry's complex mechanisms of action. Firstly, the enhancement of night vision is linked to the dilation of blood vessels, which improves blood flow to the eyes and optimizes retinal function. Moreover, the anthocyanins present in bilberry may fortify the eye's capillaries, mitigating the risk of conditions tied to weakened blood vessels. Number 2. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, also recognized as the maidenhair tree, is among the most ancient living tree species and has a long-standing heritage in traditional Chinese medicine. The extracts obtained from the leaves of the Ginkgo biloba tree are abundant in flavonoids and terpenoids, which are key to its healing attributes. While commonly linked with enhancing cognitive function, Ginkgo biloba's influence on blood circulation renders it a significant ally for eye health. A principal way Ginkgo biloba aids eye health is through the promotion of blood flow, including to the eye's intricate vascular networks. Adequate circulation is crucial for the transport of nutrients and oxygen to the eye's various components, ensuring their proper functionality and lowering the risk of issues arising from impaired blood flow. Research implies that Ginkgo biloba may be effective in managing conditions associated with poor circulation, such as glaucoma, by facilitating vasodilation and preventing platelet aggregation. This contribution to a healthier circulatory system positively affects the eye's microcirculation. Beyond its circulatory benefits, Ginkgo biloba possesses antioxidant qualities that defend the eyes from oxidative stress. The flavonoids and terpenoids in Ginkgo biloba serve as antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals, reducing cellular harm, and potentially lessening the risk of age-related visual disorders. Studies have also suggested that Ginkgo biloba may improve visual field damage in individuals with normal tension glaucoma. Its neuroprotective properties benefit the optic nerve, underscoring its capacity to bolster overall eye health. Now, let's continue with number 3. Saffron. The vibrant crimson strands of saffron have been utilized in diverse traditional medicinal systems, such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, to address a multitude of health issues, eye health included. The antioxidant attributes of saffron stem from its carotenoid content, especially crocin. Carotenoids are pigments renowned for their potent antioxidant effects, playing a pivotal role in eye health by neutralizing free radicals that threaten ocular tissues. Oxidative stress and inflammation are recurrent factors in numerous eye diseases. Saffron, through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory actions, may offer a shield against these contributory elements. Research into saffron's effectiveness spans conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and retinal degeneration, indicating a beneficial impact on retinal health. Furthermore, saffron's anti-inflammatory qualities are beneficial for conditions like uveitis, where inflammation of the uvea, the eye's middle layer, can cause discomfort and impair vision. By influencing inflammatory pathways, saffron may aid in managing uveitis and other related inflammatory eye conditions. The investigation into saffron's impact on vision continues, with studies shedding light on its prospective advantages. Some evidence suggests that saffron supplementation may enhance visual acuity and light sensitivity, particularly in individuals at the early stages of age-related macular degeneration. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric's healing qualities are largely attributed to curcumin, a bioactive compound celebrated for its extensive health benefits. Historically integral to traditional medicine, contemporary research illuminates curcumin's capacity to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both implicated in a variety of eye conditions. The anti-inflammatory actions of curcumin are particularly significant. Chronic inflammation contributes to numerous ocular disorders, such as uveitis and diabetic retinopathy. Through the modulation of inflammatory pathways, curcumin could alleviate the effects of inflammation on the eyes, enhancing overall eye health. The prowess of curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects also encompasses conditions like dry eye syndrome, where inflammation on the ocular surface leads to discomfort and compromised vision. Investigations into curcumin supplements for dry eye management have shown promising outcomes in diminishing inflammation and ameliorating symptoms. As the eyes age, they undergo changes that may predispose individuals to conditions like age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a prominent threat to vision. Curcumin's antioxidant capabilities are crucial in defending against oxidative stress, a principal factor in AMD development. By scavenging free radicals, curcumin aids in protecting the retinal cells, thereby supporting retinal health and overall visual wellness. Number 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is renowned for its rich array of bioactive compounds, with its essential oil being a particularly concentrated source of antioxidants. The primary antioxidants in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, are instrumental in its ability to combat free radicals. This antioxidant capacity is crucial in safeguarding ocular tissues against oxidative stress, a prevalent factor in age-related eye disorders. Inflammation plays a central role in numerous eye conditions, and the anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary render it an invaluable herb for maintaining ocular health. Rosmarinic acid, notably, has been researched for its capacity to influence inflammatory pathways, indicating rosemary's potential in the management of eye conditions marked by inflammation. Beyond its effects on inflammation, rosemary's influence on blood circulation can also benefit eye health. Adequate blood flow is vital for supplying the eyes with necessary nutrients and oxygen, thereby enhancing their overall health and function. Rosemary's benefits are not limited to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Its aromatic compounds are also thought to possess cognitive-enhancing properties. This could indirectly support eye health by aiding in maintaining focus and concentration, thus reducing eye strain from prolonged visual tasks. Number 6. Dandelion. Dandelion is celebrated for its nutrient-dense profile, offering a wealth of vitamins and minerals crucial for eye health. This herb is particularly rich in vitamin A, vital for sustaining eye health and enhancing vision in low light and color perception. A lack of vitamin A is linked to night blindness among other vision complications, underscoring the significance of integrating dandelion into one's diet. Moreover, dandelion is a source of vitamins C and E, which bolster the antioxidant defense mechanism that shields ocular tissues from oxidative harm. Lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids with a specific affinity for the eyes, especially the retina, are found in dandelion leaves. These carotenoids are reputed for their capacity to gather in the retina, supporting visual wellness. Lutein and zeaxanthin serve as antioxidants, protecting the eyes from damaging high-energy light rays, such as ultraviolet rays. Research indicates that these carotenoids can help mitigate the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts, two prevalent age-associated conditions that can affect vision. Incorporating dandelion into the diet provides a natural source of these advantageous compounds. Traditionally used in medicine for its detoxifying effects, dandelion's diuretic action helps purge toxins from the body, potentially alleviating the load on the eyes and fostering overall health. Through promoting detoxification, dandelion may indirectly support clearer vision and lessen strain on eye tissues. Nonetheless, it's important to use diuretic herbs in moderation to ensure proper hydration and maintain electrolyte balance. Number 7. Fennel. Fennel seeds are a veritable nutritional powerhouse, endowed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that collectively bolster their potential for eye health enhancement. The rich presence of vitamin C, vitamin A, and various efficacious compounds positions fennel as a significant herb for safeguarding and improving vision. Vitamin A, notably in the form of beta-carotene, is fundamental for eye health, underpinning the retina's functionality and aiding in low-light and color vision. The amalgamation of vitamin A with the antioxidants in fennel seeds plays a vital role in neutralizing free radicals, thereby offering a shield against oxidative stress known to affect eye tissues. Fennel seeds are laden with flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols, enhancing their antioxidant efficacy. These antioxidants are crucial in averting cellular damage by neutralizing free radicals, a process that holds particular importance for eye health. Oxidative stress is a contributing factor in the onset of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other vision-related complications. Hence, incorporating antioxidant-rich herbs like fennel presents a strategic approach to natural eye care. While herbs can significantly aid in promoting eye health, the value of a holistic lifestyle cannot be overstated. A balanced diet, consistent exercise, sufficient rest, and regular eye examinations form the cornerstone of optimal eye health. Moreover, practicing proper eye hygiene, including taking regular breaks from screens, wearing UV protective sunglasses, and abstaining from smoking, can further enhance long-term vision health. Lastly, although herbs provide appealing natural solutions, it's critical to consult with healthcare professionals prior to their integration into one's health regimen, especially for those with existing health conditions or on medication. Healthcare providers can offer tailored advice and ascertain the safety and suitability of herbal supplements or remedies for individual health needs. Thank you for watching today's video, and we eagerly anticipate your participation in our next session.